another video. Guys, 2020 has not been an easy year. If you know me, you know it has not been an easy year. It has been a rough year, from losing my beloved mom to a massive car accident. But look, here we are. Your girl is still alive, and I thank God for that. I can't even thank God enough for what He has done for me this 2020, even without the temptations. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to prepare 4 different types of drinks using my favorite liquor. For me, this is the Belmontis. It's a Swiss liquor, but you can use a liquor of your favorite liquor. You can just use any liquor that you love and just make amazing 4 different types of drinks. Let us get started. You know I have the ingredients here as usual. The first drink, I'm just going to show you the ingredients per drink, not all together. I don't want to confuse you. So let's start with getting rid with what we are not using right away. This one is the easy one. So yeah, here we go. So for the first drink, we are going to use, of course, the liquor. And then we are having some ice cubes over here. And then we have a glass. You can use a long drink glass if you want, but I didn't really want to get so drunk, so let us just use the small one. And then we have some mint leaves. And then we have some water with that. I think you call it sparkling water. Yeah. So we just start with filling the first glass with ice cubes. Put in our ice cubes. Once you've filled your glass with ice cubes, open your liquor. And then, because I took a small glass, I didn't really take the long drink glass, I'm going to just use 3 deciliters of the liquor. 3 deciliters. I'm using this glass because I can measure with it. This one is around 2 deciliters, so I'm going to put just... Here you go. This is 2 deciliters. You add to your ice cubes. Take another 1 deciliter. Another 1 deciliter. And then add there. Put that aside. It's so easy, guys, but it tastes amazing. Take your sparkling water. And just add very little of it. Don't dilute like, I don't know, forever, but that's your choice. You can dilute as you wish. As for me, I would like to add more ice cubes. Voila. Then let us take some mint leaves and you just add like that. And actually, the first one is done, and it tastes amazing. Perfect. This is the first one. So guys, the next drink is just I added just very little ice cube, but listen, you can just make sure that your liquor is chilled before. So you can just, after having dinner, after food, just for digestion, just take like 2. No, just took like just 2 deciliters. That is enough just to make your digestion perfect, and that should be okay. Look, this looks lovely, and it's really, this drink, cheers to you guys. It is so yummy. I really love it. For those living in Switzerland, I would really, if you want an idea of what you could just give to your loved one for birthday, for just whatever, if you just want to say thank you for whatever reason, if you are invited somewhere for dinner or anything and you're in Switzerland, you can order Belmontis. It's really a very special drink. I would really suggest you, trust me, whoever you're gonna give this is gonna love it. Trust me. Exactly. So that is our second drink. That's how this one looks. Actually, this is how the liquor looks like. I love it. And right now, because it's not chilled, that's why I just added some ice cream. But anyway, you can just try and drink it dry, and it really tastes good. I'm so sorry about my lighting. I have amazing light in this house, really amazing light. But I can't always have some reflection, which is quite annoying. But anyway, I still believe you can see what I'm doing, and I hope you still enjoy this video as I cheers with you guys. Yep. So guys, our next drink, we are gonna need some Prosecco. You can see I have my favorite Prosecco. I have this. Then let us open. Cheers guys. Then we are going to take a wine glass, a white wine glass, then add some ice cubes. Add some ice cubes. Add just enough, as much as you want. As much as you want, as I say. That's how much I personally want. I just still add one more. Then we take 4 deciliters of the liquor, Belmontis. You see, I have it ready here. This is, let me see. Oh, this is already 3. So let us add one more. Et voila. Once you add that, fill it with Prosecco. Okay, once you have it that way, just fill it with your Prosecco. Look how bubbly that is. Hey, don't call me alcoholic. I am not alcoholic, but I just love a good drink. Once you've done that, you add your leaf like that. That is it. This is your Prosecco. This is how it turns out to be. Cheers. Our last drink, guys, is also a very refreshing one, and it is made with coffee. Coffee. Let's do it. Guys, look who is here. Look who is here. Just enjoy the drinks. Cheers, babe.
It's like a good whiskey.
Like a good whiskey? No. But it's yummy. Go away now from my video.
Sehr gut.
You
Doch mit Wasser, oder?
This is Prosecco and the liquor and the ice cubes and then the mints, and you can also add a little water. Do you want some sparkling water? No? Hey, don't get drunk, it's too early. It's too early. So we are gonna...
It's Monday. It's too weekend.
So guys, for the next drink, as I said, we need a coffee. I just had to change the glass because I just discovered that the other glass is too small. Wish me luck that that the hot coffee does not break my glass. So we need cream, whipped cream. This is the only thing I had at home, but otherwise you can whip your cream by yourself. And then we need the liquor and we need coffee. So now let us just add some coffee here. It's not even gonna work with this glass. So guys, we're just going to add some coffee, 150 milliliters of coffee. That's what I'm getting right now. I just have to use a different glass because I cannot put this glass under the coffee machine. So there we go. Let us see. I'm excited about this one. I'm really excited about this stuff. Et voila, the coffee is done. As I said, wish me luck that it doesn't break the wine glass because it's hot. I'm telling you, even the handle is getting warm. Once you've done that, so take 400 again. Not for, I mean, yes, 400. 4 deciliters. Take 4 deciliters. It's approximately like so. Woo! We're getting drunk in here. Then add this to your liquor and to your coffee. Once you've done that, so you whip your cream properly. I just give my husband to do it for me because some moves are not just for me. And then Yeah, there you go. This is what I was looking for. Hey, voila. That's how this one turned out to be. Look at that color. Look at that. Is this not amazing? Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yeah. So, can we test this thing? I really hope it tastes good. Guy. Ay, ay, ay. There is some orgasm right here. This thing is yummy. Yummy. I'm not even exaggerating, guys. I'm not exaggerating. It is amazing. It just tastes incredible. Very, very yummy. 4 simple recipes of how you can enjoy your liquor. They're not hard to make, they're quick to make, and if you have a party or you have friends over, you can just, you make something like this and you're gonna make them remember that night or remember that evening. I thank you so much if you came until here. Please, as usual, don't forget to hit the notification button so that every time I upload, you get notified. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and take care of yourselves, and see you in my next one. You know when is my next one? Next week, guys. So, cheers and God bless you for watching. Bye, guys.